Atex Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Atex and related resources can be found in the description below. Atex is a dropshipping platform that aims to simplify product sourcing and order fulfillment for e-commerce businesses. Designed to work seamlessly with popular online store builders, Atex streamlines everything from importing products to automatically forwarding orders to suppliers, allowing store owners to focus on marketing and customer experience. One of the key features of Atex is its centralized dashboard, which displays real-time inventory levels, product details, and order statuses, eliminating the need to juggle multiple spreadsheets or supplier portals. This is crucial for dropshippers who often work with several suppliers or manage various products. Additionally, Atex offers a one-click import tool, allowing sellers to quickly add items to their stores, complete with optimized titles, product images, and descriptions. For entrepreneurs interested in analytics, the platform provides basic reporting that tracks sales trends, best-selling SKUs, and revenue over time, giving valuable insight into what resonates with customers. In terms of strengths, Atex stands out for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for new dropshippers who may not be tech-savvy. The platform's automation features, such as order syncing and fulfillment notifications, reduce manual work, letting sellers concentrate on marketing and customer service. Another plus is the supplier vetting process, which aims to minimize product quality issues or shipping delays, two critical pain points in dropshipping. Moreover, Atex integrates with major e-commerce platforms, from Shopify to WooCommerce, ensuring a broad user base can implement the tool without cumbersome setups. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Atex's advanced features, like bulk editing or in-depth analytics, may require higher-tier subscription plans, which could stretch budgets for new sellers. Additionally, while supplier quality is generally consistent, there's still a chance of variations in product quality or shipping times, so store owners must set realistic expectations with customers. Finally, the platform's product catalog may not be as extensive as that of bigger competitors, which could limit niche sellers who rely on very specialized items. Overall, Atex is a solid option for online store owners seeking a straightforward dropshipping solution with automated order processing and supplier management. Its clean interface, supplier screening, and basic analytics can significantly improve workflow, provided the pricing and catalog fit your business strategy. Check the links in the description to learn more about Atex and see if it aligns with your e-commerce goals.